This Anoka County courtroom was filled with applause and cheering. This isn't civilian court. This is Veterans Court.
It's our 5th anniversary of Anoka County Veterans Court, exactly right now today.
And it's celebrating a birthday.
We work, and that's the only reason we're turning 5.
Since November 2012, Anoka County has been holding Veterans Court twice a month, helping veterans whose mental illness or substance abuse contributed to criminal offenses. Offenses that come with an automatic prison sentence like murder or an assault where a victim is seriously injured do not qualify for the program.
The typical person that would be ideal is someone who obviously has served our country, who is eligible for VA services because that is part of the crux of Veterans Court, and someone who wants to be there and wants the help.
Someone like Jeffrey Amon, who served 2 tours overseas in the U.S. Army and had a difficult time reacclimating to civilian life.
A lot of rough months in family, marriage led to me having an incident where I kind of broke down and spanked my stepdaughter way harder than I ever should have.
Assistant County Attorney Blair Bucciaconi took on Amon's case and explained Vets Court and its benefits.
Going into Vets Court, it's not easy. It wasn't easy at all, but it was definitely worth the effort.
Here's how Veterans Court works. In the early stages, participants must be in court twice a month. Participants are randomly tested for alcohol or drug use at least twice per week. If participants fail to stay clean for 180 consecutive days while in the program, their sober date is reset. Participants typically take 18 to 24 months to graduate from the program.
3 main rules in Veterans Court. You've got to be sober, you've got to be honest, and you've got to be respectful of the participants.
23 months after Amon entered the program, he graduated, thanks to hard work, a support team, and a mentor.
Without my mentor, there's no way I could have done the things that I did in the time that I had done.
Amon is one of many Vets Court success stories, but this court does not give offenders an easy out.
They are doing whatever recommendations have been made for them, so be it treatment, counseling, drug abuse counseling, individual counseling, family counseling, you name it, whatever those recommendations are on top of their court obligation, they are having to follow through with those things. That is far more intense than civilian court would be.
Vets Court aims at reducing recidivism rates, focusing on rehabilitation rather than punishment, and the numbers prove it's working. Only 14% of participants reported at least one incident of substance use after exiting the program, and only 7% reported post-program criminal convictions.
We very intensely supervise them, but we do that because we believe that, they have put up their lives to give the ultimate sacrifice, and if some of the things that they've seen and been through have put them in a position where they are breaking the law, it's really incumbent upon us to help them get back to where they were before.
Veterans Court operates in 8 Minnesota counties and was born in Anoka County after Bucciaconi saw the struggles vets face when returning home from deployment.
I volunteered, it didn't happen, and then my brother volunteered and went to Iraq 2 times as a Marine, and I had some of his own issues when he came home. There is no reason we shouldn't be looking at every single veteran in the criminal justice system and asking the question, is this the right person? And look at, is there something we can improve about their life?
We don't need to see you for another month. See you back December 1st. Keep doing what you're doing.
Since its inception, Vets Court has graduated over 30 participants.
Good luck to you, okay? Thanks for coming.
With plans to help many more. And a team who takes the journey with the veterans.
We get to actually watch them progress and get their life straightened out and get back on the right track. So for me, it's been really kind of a rejuvenating experience as a judge.
For CTN Spotlight, I'm Jordan Rylance.